So the ventricles are the spaces in the brain that have what in them? Cerebral spinal fluid, right. And so how many ventricles do we have? 4. Good. And so we have 2 lateral ventricles. So here we could see this is one lateral ventricle. This lateral ventricle is actually a little bit larger than normal. But if we look also at the size of the gyri, and if you take away some of this arachnoid mater, you could see how deep some of these sulci are. So the small gyri, the deep sulci, and the enlarged ventricles make me think that this brain had dementia. So it was basically the gyri were just kind of wasting away here. And so when the gyri waste away, sort of that space gets larger, the lateral ventricle gets larger. But we could see here's the lateral ventricle. It does go all the way back into the occipital lobe. It does have a branch that wraps around into the temporal lobe. So the lateral ventricles are quite large. And as I said earlier, between our 2 lateral ventricles, we have a membrane that separates them. That membrane is called the septum pellucidum, going from the corpus callosum down to the fornix.